Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to Blue Bite and Doors channel. Today, you probably read the title, replacing the hitch. No, latch, not hitch. Welcome to Blue Bite and Doors channel with another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. Boy, they wrapped this sucker up good. Run that intro. That's enough plastic in there that I don't know what. Then they wrapped it up and they make sure it didn't get damaged, didn't they? So if you watched our video, probably didn't, because I didn't show that much. That's how I had to run up through there, into there, and then into there. Because it's upside down, that's the way it goes. Beep, 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 beep. That's the way it goes. So it looks like this should be pretty simple. This is what I broke. Broke this right here off. Really, that's all that handle does was do that. Why couldn't I just do that when we reach up there and do that? Huh. I knew that. That's all I had to do was push up on it. We know now. So this could be an easy fix or a hard fix. And when I mean hard, it goes this way. We'll figure it out how this thing goes together. And should be a pretty simple, easy fix, we hope. I'm going to try to take it off. Just take the exhaust pipe off. That way I can get up under there and see what I'm doing. Before I couldn't. I just had to lay down and reach up. And that's how I undid the cable right here. You can't see it. Well, I'll show you when we get down there. Yep. You know, you used to call this agua. It's ama. Ama. That's Cherokee. I'm 10% Cherokee. Indian, that is. The feather kind, not the dot kind. So it's ama. Ama. Cherokee. For water. Ama. A-M-A. Ama. I get my hydration in early. I'm just going to do it right there. So, let's see what we can do. Oh, exposure selected. I don't know what that did there. But anyway, this is how we was opening it. That's the part that goes in, and I could just pull that and opens. But to get that out, see, this is the part I broke right here. So, so hopefully we can slide that out without. See, I don't pull that away, so that should be pretty simple. But here's where we at. See, if I take this off, I'm not going to have enough room to get up in there. Maybe I can. I don't see no dang screws. Oh, don't tell me it's screwed on the inside. Well. See, there's the cable come out. Sit somewhere in there. I didn't break that piece off. No, that's just a clip. So, yeah. What can you see? So that's what you can see, and that's where, if I move this exhaust pipe, I got more room to work. Or I can take off the whole side of piece. And I don't want to do that. Looks like I'm probably going to have to. Yep. Great. Hey, I got it. Didn't break nothing. I got a sponge in my face properly. By looking at this one goes. So I just wanted the locks jammed. I tried unlocking it. What did I do with the key? Oh shit. Oops. Oh, there it is. Okay, that's all that does is turn it, so it might be this mechanism. It might have been what's Because that's the lock. See, you see the lock working? Probably not. All it does is a barrel lock that keeps that from coming down. But this, it goes up. So that's just the way it should go up, but it don't. That goes up. This don't move. No matter which way you, that keeps it from pulling up. So I guess this is jammed up. Anyway, I got to take this lock out here to get that barrel lock out and put it in this one. And then, yeah, it's a pain. I didn't take the muffler off, but I did do this. I took it apart. You got to take the foot peg, passenger foot peg out to get it slid out that far. And then, because I got to get behind, in front of this piece, which is behind this piece, which is right in here. And I didn't have enough room, so I had to make a tool so I could get in there and just barely do turn it. So I can, and then I probably thought I could work it with this, but I need a Craftsman. This needs to be turned. The gears are messed up in it. So I needed a short one, 3/8 or half quarter, because I got a adapter deal. Yeah, it was a pain. I got it out. Let's see if we can get it back in. Yeah, I need some more That was my third one. I drank one off camera. I was taking a 1020. No, I wasn't taking a 1022 or 200. I was just taking a mental break. But I got this to work. Be careful when you take this part right here off. You ever have to change your lock? There's a BB in there and a spring. Don't lose them. And then when to get the lock mechanism out, because this just brings, all this doing is that right there. It's got like a, so that comes down and lets it not open, that little arm right there. You can't see, maybe. Anyway, but when you take that out, you got a slot. You got to take a pick or something, straight pick, and put that in there, and that holds all the little tumblers in, and then you slide it out the front. Yeah, I figured that out by myself. I didn't even have to YouTube it. I just worked with it. It's probably a 4 or 5 language job, because it's a lot of aggravating. I just one of them Canadians got little hands. I don't know. Maybe they got Chinese working for them so they can get behind. Yeah, let me see if I can put this back in. And, because then I don't know what to do next, because I got to figure out, I got to get that thing back in there. Yeah, maybe I put that on first. I don't know. I'll show you this. So if you ever, lights ever break or something, you can reach under there, and you just got to get that to wiggle around to come out, and then you can pop the trunk with that. That's what I had to do. Pick that up once I figured messing with it. I knew I had to come out, but so that's, if you see that, that's how that works. And I was able to, between 10 rides, whatever, 10, he's aggravating me, and I just finally just told him to give me for space. Yeah, 10 Tennessee. Whatever your name is, you want to make fun of me. Ooh, that's where that goes. Well, this looks like it's back together, don't it? Yeah. There might be just a little bit of plastic missing, but that's all right. Just cosmetic on the inside you can't see, so yeah, I had a problem putting that black piece back in there. It was whipping me. That's all right. I got it in the long run. Figure out. Well, darn it. wouldn't look right. Now I can't get it to go in its slot. There it is. I guess it is, just maybe the way I looked at it. But look. Ta-da! I got it back together. Yep. Like I said, there's just a little bit of plastic missing. Yeah. My Sawzall got a hold of it. So I could push it back in there. But it don't feels the same to me. Maybe a little easier, I don't know. But it's working. It's working, Ma. So she can be happy. She was happy with it the other way. Got, yeah, see all that. Lock and lock. Is it locked? Well, I don't want to lock it. I don't know why she locked it anyway. I mean, just to close. People want our clothes. We can go to Walmart and buy some more. Yeah, buddy. God bless America. Canadians. Oh, Canada. Oh, Canada. Yep. Appreciate that. Superman Kev and the Canadian guys. Yeah. Remember the word for water in a Cherokee? Ama. Ama. So, whew. I got it back together. Everything worked. It didn't go like I wanted it to because I figured it'd be easier, but it wasn't. Ain't nothing easy. Ain't no easy run. I've been everywhere. I'm hot. I'm delirious. Ain't that? Oh, yeah, it was a comedian. Bill Murray. No. The black guy. Oh, man. Beverly Hills Cop. Bill Murray. No. Eddie Murphy. That's it. Oh, me. I got my bills mixed up. Yeah, that was pretty good back before he got famous. Eddie Murphy, Delirious. Yeah. Let's go watch it. Ice Cream. And Mama's Shoes and Sasquatch. Goobity-boogity-boo. Like I said, next project is on Lucille. And I think everybody's going to get a kick out of it. Oh, I don't know about a kick, but I'm going to enjoy it because it's going to make my oil filtering changing easier. Should be an easy install. Like I said, there's nothing easy. Nope. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the dicking around in the shed. You can go check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and I'm going to go take me a cold shower.